Hello and welcome to Toothless Tesla. Today we are visiting the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology, or HKUST for short. Now, HKUST is supposedly a more progressive university in Hong Kong, and it even has a sustainable smart campus where they have many projects to help them lower their carbon footprint, and also to educate all bright young minds about sustainable living in the future. I will put a link to the Sustainable Smart Campus as a living lab at UST in the description below. HKUST is a scenic and beautiful campus, and I am looking forward to parking and charging my Tesla on campus. With all the sustainability projects happening on campus and the amazing research being published, I'm expecting a good number of EV chargers on campus. I'm also expecting to see a lot of EVs in the parking lot. As I enter the car park building, the first EV charging space I see is on the right. But as I get closer, I notice it is only a 3-pin socket, just like the 3-pin sockets found in Olympic House in Causeway Bay.
That's not electric charging.
These are just level 1 chargers, so I reverse out and explore further around the car park. I pass one level 2 EV charger, which is occupied. And when I go down to the next level, I see 2 more level 2 chargers, with 1 charger available. There doesn't seem to be any more EV chargers around here, so that makes it 3 level 2 chargers and 1 level 1 charger in this car park building. That's not very much for a large car park. I've also seen a few Teslas here, but not any other EVs. It's still mostly ICE cars that are used around here.
Schneider. Charging. Next one is let's see. EV link. And it's charging. Hidden behind this pillar is a Tesla destination charger.
I've always enjoyed visiting university campuses anywhere around the world, and really, HKUST is no exception. It's a very pretty campus, and there's also a Starbucks where you can enjoy a 30% discount from the regular prices. Now, I've spent a pleasant half day at HKUST, and now my Tesla is charged to 93%, and I am ready to leave. As I leave, I notice that the space I am vacating will be iced by an inconsiderate driver. There are plenty more car parking spaces on the lower floors, but this inconsiderate driver doesn't want to use those. I hope the university will take action against drivers who deliberately block EV owners from charging. In summary, I am quite disappointed with the limited number of EV chargers here at HKUST. There are more EV chargers at many public car parks in Hong Kong than there are here on campus. For a supposedly sustainable smart campus at HKUST, it really isn't if you drive an EV to this campus. Please watch my other videos about free EV chargers at public car parks, and then you will see what I mean about HKUST's very poor availability of EV chargers. Happy to hear your thoughts, so please comment below. As always, thanks for watching and stay safe.